Hey guys, this is one of the Geox Steel Slingers, and today I'm gonna go on what's on my lanyard. I got one of the new calls, Sexy Susie from Hayes Calls. Very loud. It's more open field kind of stuff. It's loud. It's really smooth. It's clear. It's not very raspy. It's nice. There's that. Alright, my favorite call. My Buck Gardner Double Nasty 2. Nice call. Really raspy. I like it. That's why I like it. We're hunting like the timber. It's really nice. It's not too loud either. Next I got there really wasn't a name for this. It was just a double single reed duck call. It's a quackhead. It's actually really smooth. It's not hard to blow. It's not hard to get air into. It's really nice. Alright. Next I got the Echo Calls. The polycarbonate single reed duck call. Really nice, I like it. It's not too raspy, it's quite in the middle. I like it a lot. And I got my Canada Hammer. My Canada Hammer 2. I like this a lot. Really nice. Yeah, let's see if I still... really loud. That's what I like about it. Alright, so right now, I'm just going to do some calling. Tell me what you think. Here we go. Geauga Steel Slingers here. See you next time.